Hello, how are you doing? My name is Professor RSK and I will be your facilitator. Don't forget to keep safe by washing your hands with soap and under running water. Wear your nose mask and practice social distancing. Do well to write all your questions in the comments section. And also note that your comments are welcome. Join me in class for today's lesson. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. You can also join us on all social media platforms by clicking on the link below. You can also read more lessons on our website www.profrsk.com. Thank you. Hello, welcome once again. This is the second lesson and we want to compare numbers using the second method. In the first lesson, we did the comparison by simple counting. So we counted the first, counted the second, and then we got the difference. Easy. We cannot use this first method in this second example. So pay attention, understand it, so that you can easily apply when necessary. All right. So we have our second method. We already know that we have to count. We are going to apply that one and see whether we'll get a difference. If we still do not get a difference, then we will introduce our second method. Join me. The first, we are going to count. So counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's write it in our jotters. 4. And then we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. You realize that this 4 is the same as this 4, meaning that the individual numbers are 4 and the individual numbers here are also 4. If that is the case, then do we write equal sign here? No. We cannot write equal sign there because we will now introduce the second method. And the second method, we will look at this first digit and look at this second one. All right? We look at this first one and look at this first one. So let's compare this one and that one. 4 and 9. 4 and 9. You realize that this 4 is smaller than this 9. So we will now compare based on the first numbers. So we have 9 here, we have 4 here. So it means that 9, which is bigger than this 4. So we can now put in our sign. So 9,263 is more than 4,387. This is the second method. You need not to really struggle or make your brain suffer. We are making math very, very, very easy and simple. Now let's continue. So we are going to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. All right, so this is 4, 4. It means that we cannot use the first method. Now that the first method cancels each other, then we come to the second method. With the second method, we look at the first digit and then the first digit for the other side. So we are comparing 6 and 2. 6 and 2. 6,387 and 2,000 938. So in the second method, we compare the first one or the first digit here. Okay, so 6 is bigger than 2, and so the mouth of the shark opens widely towards the bigger meat. The mouth of the shark opens widely towards the bigger meat. If the meat is small, the mouth of the shark will just open small, just slight opening, and they will just swallow it. But because 6,387 is a big meat, the mouth of the shark will open widely to swallow the bigger thing. Okay? On this note, I want you to do more examples, practice more, and then get to know more. All right. So 8, 6, 4, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3. We compare, you realize that 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first method cancels each other. Then you apply the second method, that is 4,000 and 8,000. So 8 is bigger than 4. And then the symbol will point towards the bigger fish. All right. So I hope you can do more practice, solve more examples, try more questions, and this is going to make you the best. I wish you all the best. See you in the next class.